Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept confined to science fiction. It's rapidly transforming industries worldwide, and manufacturing is no exception. Let's dive into how AI is revolutionizing the way we produce goods. Part 1. Predictive maintenance. AI can predict when a machine is likely to fail by analyzing data from sensors. This enables companies to schedule maintenance proactively, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Imagine a factory where machines can self-heal before they break down. Part 2. Quality control. AI-powered vision systems can inspect products for defects with incredible accuracy and speed. By analyzing images of products, AI can detect flaws that the human eye might miss, ensuring that only high-quality products reach the market. Part 3. Supply chain optimization. AI can optimize supply chains by predicting demand, managing inventory, and optimizing transportation routes. This can lead to significant cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Part 4. Robotics. AI is making robots smarter and more adaptable. Robots can now learn from their experiences and work collaboratively with humans on complex tasks. This is leading to more flexible and efficient production lines. Part 5. Personalized products. AI can be used to create highly personalized products. By analyzing customer data, companies can tailor products to individual preferences and needs, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Part 6. Energy efficiency. AI can optimize energy consumption in factories by analyzing data from sensors and making real-time adjustments. This not only reduces costs, but also helps to protect the environment. Part 7. Safety. AI can improve safety in industrial settings by identifying potential hazards and preventing accidents. For example, AI-powered systems can monitor worker behavior and identify unsafe conditions. Part 8. Research and development. AI can accelerate the research and development process by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify new materials, design better products, and discover new manufacturing processes. Part 9. Challenges and concerns. While AI offers many benefits, there are also challenges to consider. These include the need for skilled workers, data privacy concerns, and the potential for job displacement. Conclusion. AI is transforming the manufacturing industry, making it more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. By embracing AI, companies can gain a competitive edge, improve product quality, and reduce costs. However, it is essential to approach AI implementation with a thoughtful and strategic approach.